Okay, today we are going to install the newer technology Power2U AC USB wall outlet. So here we go. First, you want to make sure that the power's off. So this happens to be in the kitchen, so it's GFI protected, so the power is definitely off now. Take the plate off, and what this device does, it gives you two USB ports where you don't have to have your bulky charger plugged in. So I saw it on app advice, so hopefully it's all it's cracked up to be. One thing you do have to think about it, it's very deep, deeper than a GFI, so you definitely want to make sure you've got the newer outlet box installed. Some of the older houses with metal boxes probably be too shallow and you have to come up with something else. Maybe add an outlet mixed to an existing one and put a newer style box in. Take these wires off. So, take the plate off of the new device. It's got a couple little screws inside. Get those off. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to see how this works. Be able to plug two iPhones in, iPad, iPod. Pretty basic. Bare ground goes with the green screw. The screws take either a straight or a Phillips. I choose to use a Phillips. The neutral goes on the silver, and it's also marked W. I'll tighten that down. Make sure it's snug, which it is. Put the black or the hot on the gold side. Make sure it's tight. It's pretty snug. Oh, neutral came out. You always want to pull on these to make sure they are in good. Don't want to leave anything loose. Those are all tight. When you push it back in, make sure the ground wire is not touching the neutral anywhere. It'll cause your GFI to trip. So far, so easy. Give it a push in first. Almost have it. It's in pretty snug. Get this cover on. It's got two little Phillips screws that hold it on. Get these tight. Also comes with a couple of little plastic snap-in pieces to give it the effect of not having any screws holding the plate on. So let's turn the power back on. Give it a power test. It's got power in that one, power in that one. So let's give it the true test here. It's got a little door that slides. I just got lucky and got it facing the right direction. That one I didn't. So I have two of them plugged in. I'll plug in a phone. Came on. Get the iPad out. And that came on. So as advertised, it works. Pretty slick, and you can still plug something in. You could have an extra charger or whatever, toaster, blender, whatever you're going to use it for. So looks like it's as advertised. So till next time, thanks.